This video was brought to you by viewers like you. Consider supporting us on Patreon.
This is Praathuis. Welcome to AmsterdamVideo.com.
Hey y'all, it's a nice day, yes it is. So I'm out and about this Sunday, the 26th of April 2020. And I'm also going to do a couple of drone shots. So yeah, finally the weather is so awesome, guys. I couldn't resist. So yeah, firstly though, here's the intro.
The stars over Amsterdam.
It is just lovely this weather, guys. Wow. Oh, by the way, guys, driving an automatic is so comfortable. Wow. Look at that, guys. It's still quiet on the streets. This whole corona crisis thing ain't far from over yet. Look at that, guys. In the outskirts of Amsterdam, it's still free parking on Sundays and on holidays. Check that, guys, it's 16 degrees centigrade. It's a warm spring day, or even a cool summer day, you might say. Loving it. What's not to love is how trash is an ongoing problem in this neighborhood. So glad I don't live here anymore. So I'm on my way to the PO box to check for mail and stuff. Look at that, guys, they renewed the PO boxes. So I got a brand new smaller PO box for the same amount of money. Only one letter. I guess the smaller PO box is okay. It fits. I really hate how you still can't go inside a restaurant or a cafe or whatever and just enjoy, and relax a little. Yeah, but yeah, I guess it's all for the greater good. Yeah. So in other corona news, now that I'm at it anyway, they announced next month schools will reopen for the small kids, and sporting activities get resumed for the kids as well, a little bit, but apart from that, nothing much. So we're still in the same pickle. Next week, so a week after King's Day basically, we also get the Liberation Festival, the Liberation Day and the Commemoration Day of the victims in the Second World War, those who have fallen. But that's also very different this year, and they are mentioning this here on the poster, thuis, at home. So yeah, you have to celebrate it at home this year.
Persoonlijke kaart voor de allerliefste dochter die wil denken aan je. Denk ik in een foto mama. Hoe laat jij weten dat jij niemand denkt? Ga nu naar greets.nl en zeg het op jouw manier.
Well guys, are you enjoying the few drone footages so far? Well, here's some more. Emergency, emergency! Hand catch! I cut myself on the prop. This is like the fifth or the sixth time I do a hand catch. And this is the first time I actually got caught in the prop. And as you can see, even though it is a remarkably small little drone, it can cut quite nicely. So I already have this little paper towel, and yeah, I'll survive. Dinner time at my favorite Chinese restaurant, and she completely remodeled the place. Big screens and all that stuff. Corona proof, I guess. Alright guys, got my food. It's here in the bag, so that should be very nice. The entire regular restaurant area has been transformed into a big waiting room with lines on the floor. I didn't film inside because there were people waiting there, but as you can see here on the ground, there's like every 1.5 meters they put up a line, and so yeah, corona proofing the place. I'm looking forward to some good Chinese Indonesian food. I haven't had this in a while. Whoa, it will be so great, finally tasting that stuff again. Wow. But firstly I need to head on back to HQ, as yeah, you already guessed it, eating locally ain't an option. So yep, on my way. Made it back to HQ guys, and look at this. It ain't looking as refined as eating it in the restaurant itself, but hey, the taste is just the same. So nice, and that box is completely loaded. Bihun Singapore is what the dish is called. Itadakimasu. On the side, I'm having some deep fried bananas. Pisang goreng. They're breaded and covered in powdered sugar. So they're very sweet. Itadakimasu. That was good, guys. Oh, I really needed that. By the way, my wound has dried up a bit and it was not one cut. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it was 4 cuts in a row. Yeah, well, it happens. So, yeah, anyway, this pretty much concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I sure did. It was a good day to do some flying and a good day to be out and about. Sure was. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Hey, cheerio!